Hey guys, today we're gonna be making the Octane from Rocket League. It's in case you've never played this game before, basically Rocket League is a game. It's car soccer. That's literally what it is. It's really fun though. It's free right now actually. It became free like in November, September, somewhere around there, and it's a really fun game. You guys should probably get it. This is not paid sponsorship, by the way. I wish it was. It's not paid promotion. I promise it's not paid promotion. But Octane is it's the first car you get in the game, and I decided to make that because I started getting pretty good at Rocket League, and also me and my friends made a channel. It's FDO Clan. It's a Rocket League clan thing, whatever. We make montages, we do live streams and stuff. We do challenges like Musty or something. And so if you like Rocket League, or if you just like soccer and you like cars, then go subscribe there. I'll put the link in the description, and there should be a card pop up right now on the top right corner. What a voice crack. I've never had a worst voice crack in my life before. I don't know if you heard that, but on the top right there should be a thing that says FDO Clan pop up. It's a card, but yeah. So before we continue at all, just hit that subscribe button. Right now I'm at 95 subscribers, so close to 100. When I get 100 subscribers, guess what? I get to have a custom URL. It won't say when you go on my channel on youtube.com, it won't say anymore youtube.com/channel/ and then some random numbers and letters like UFG65 or something like that. It'll say channel/3D Uncle Dan, and then everyone's gonna be so happy because I'm gonna have a good channel URL instead of having some trash tier thing. Actually, Mr. B still has that trash tier thing. He has over 50 million subscribers. I don't know why he still has that, but yeah. So this Octane, it did not take as long as I thought it would. I thought it would take like 2 weeks to make, but it actually only took like 2 or 3 days, and this was definitely the best thing I've ever made. It was so cool, and yeah, it came out really nice, and it wasn't too hard to make. I just had to paint it. The hardest part was probably like making them all even. I have it with me right now. It's pretty balanced and even. There are some parts that I would like to fix, but you know how I feel about work. It's just not something I do. And so I didn't really feel like doing that. And well, I don't really have anything else to talk about. I don't know. Should I just end the voice recording right here? No, because that sucks. I don't know though. Do you guys want to vibe to the music a little bit? I don't know. I think I'll just, you know what, this is the first time I've done this. I'll try just cutting out the audio when I'm done talking, and then maybe putting it back on later, but yeah, so let's try that. Okay, so now this video is over on. This was a really fun project. Took a while, not that long, but it took a lot of hard work. So if you don't mind, just hit that subscribe, like, and notification bell, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.